Baking soda, Big Pharma's nightmare. Baking soda has been used since antiquity in health, beauty and around the home. This product continues to be studied in many places around the world as it's believed to possess many yet unknown properties. Many people find it difficult to believe that such a common product can be more beneficial than pharmaceuticals in improving health. It's been proven that baking soda can help prevent and fight many diseases, including chronic health problems like cancer and diabetes. In fact, some doctors are starting to utilize this natural product and recommend it more frequently as it truly offers many benefits. Baking soda, Big Pharma's nightmare. People should take into account baking soda's ability to treat many health problems. This simple product had been used by oncologists as it can reduce the side effects of chemotherapy and radiation in important organs like the kidneys and liver. In many places around the world, people have started to dissolve small amounts of baking soda in water to create an alkaline drink that cures acidosis and other related health problems. Aware of baking soda's benefits, emergency rooms have begun using it to save lives. It's been found that the combination of baking soda with other substances like iodine and magnesium chloride create a highly potent remedy that can be used in many different medical treatments. One of the main benefits of baking soda is its ability to alkalize the body naturally. When there's a lack of bicarbonate ions, the pH of the blood is lower, which translates into more ailments and health problems as a result of an acidic environment within the body. The fact that the cells of the body function better in a slightly alkaline environment confirms baking soda's effectiveness. Diet is key to maintain the proper pH levels in the blood. However, lifestyle, poor nutrition and eating unhealthy foods, like fast food, create an acidic environment in the body that subsequently leads to various diseases. When the pH of the body becomes acidic, there is a greater risk of suffering from chronic illnesses like cancer, gastritis, osteoporosis, diabetes and heart disease, among others. In this respect, baking soda is a powerful ally to your health as it helps transport more oxygen by dilating blood vessels within tissues, helping restore the pH to normal or slightly alkaline levels. It's been proven that baking soda can help prevent serious health problems like arthritis, gout, the flu, kidney stones and diabetes. Given baking soda's important health benefits, people can start using it as a safe and natural way to treat illness. In fact, the combination of baking soda and magnesium chloride taken orally prevents many types of health problems. Both ingredients work to effectively remove accumulated toxins and acids from tissues, cells, and organs. Baking soda is a nightmare for Big Pharma thanks to its many benefits. It's economic, safe and effective. It can be used without problems, always when used in precise and moderate amounts. In any case, you should consult your doctor to see if there is any risk in consuming baking soda to improve your health. It It may cause side effects in some people like thirst, headache, swelling in the legs or weakness.